A single misplaced light bulb can cascade into household chaos within moments. Imagine your entire home meticulously organized. Then suddenly, a single item disrupts this perfect order. This isn't about grand renovations. It's about the subtle power of small adjustments. Keeping your living space tidy often feels like an uphill battle against clutter. Many people struggle with where to even begin their organization journey. Common advice focuses on decluttering, but neglects the critical role of strategic placement. This overlooked aspect significantly impacts how your home feels and functions daily. The humble light bulb, surprisingly, offers a powerful metaphor for this organizational principle. Think of a light bulb as a core element, illuminating its immediate surroundings. When a light bulb is in its intended, functional place, everything around it benefits. Its purpose is to provide light, making tasks easier and spaces more inviting. Now, consider what happens when that same light bulb is out of place, perhaps lost in a drawer. Its potential is unrealized, and the surrounding area remains dim and potentially disorganized. This mirrors how a misplaced item, even a small one, can create a ripple effect of disorder. Its absence from its designated spot leaves a void, both physically and mentally. But that's not the strangest part. The real magic happens when we apply this to everyday objects. Let's consider the common scenario of a junk drawer overflowing with miscellaneous items. Each item within it, like a misplaced light bulb, has a specific purpose it's failing to fulfill there. A charging cable is meant for electronics, not for mingling with loose change and old batteries. A spare key should be with other important documents, not lost amongst paperclips. This creates a dim zone, where finding what you need becomes an frustrating scavenger hunt.
The solution lies in assigning a home for every single item, no matter how small.
It's like ensuring every light bulb has its own socket ready to shine brightly, assigning a home for every single item. When you implement this home system, your brain receives a signal of order and control. This principle extends beyond just drawers. Think about your entryway or workspace. Keys belong on a hook, mail on a designated tray, and pens in a cup. Each item returns to its designated socket, ready for its next use. Wait until you hear what comes next. This simple habit drastically reduces mental clutter. When items have a home, you spend less time searching and more time doing what matters. This isn't about perfection. It's about creating systems that work for you. Imagine the relief of knowing exactly where to find that one specific item instantly. This creates a profound sense of calm and efficiency throughout your entire living space.
Your home transforms from a source of stress into a sanctuary of peace.
It's like turning on the main light in a dark room. Everything becomes clear. The impact is immediate. Less frustration, more time, and a greater sense of control. You'll find yourself approaching other areas of your life with this newfound clarity. This organizational philosophy empowers you to manage your environment effectively. And then something unexpected happened. You start noticing opportunities for order everywhere. The ripple effect of organizing small things creates significant positive change. It's a foundational step towards a more serene and functional lifestyle. This approach makes maintaining order feel effortless, not like a chore. You're not just tidying up, not a chaotic mess. The mental energy saved from constant searching can be redirected towards creativity. Your home becomes a reflection of your organized mind, not a chaotic mess. This strategy is incredibly effective for busy individuals and families alike. It fosters a sense of accomplishment and ongoing progress in your home environment. The feeling of walking into an orderly space after a long day is truly invaluable. This simple principle of assigning a home for everything is surprisingly powerful. It's the most effective way to combat everyday clutter and disorganization. If you found these insights illuminating, please subscribe for more practical tips. Let me know in the comments what your biggest organization challenge is. Giving every item its designated place creates lasting order and peace. It's about creating functional systems that support your daily life seamlessly. This strategy transforms your living space into a truly functional sanctuary. You'll experience less stress and more effortless efficiency in your home. It's like having a perfectly lit path through your daily tasks and activities. The immediate benefit is a reduction in searching time and mental fatigue. This leads to a significant boost in overall productivity and well-being. Your home environment becomes a source of comfort, not a place of stress. By applying this simple principle, you gain a profound sense of control. This method empowers you to manage your possessions and space effectively. You will naturally start to see organization opportunities all around you. The cumulative effect of these small adjustments is truly transformative. This approach makes sustained tidiness feel achievable and even enjoyable. Your living space will finally reflect the calm and order you desire. This is the secret to maintaining a beautifully organized home effortlessly. If you enjoyed this quick guide, subscribe for more helpful organization hacks. Hit like if this inspired you, and share your favorite tip below. If you found these insights illuminating, please subscribe for more practical tips. Let me know in the comments what your biggest organization challenge is.